Enter 3 sliders for the Portico parameters. Params, input, number slider. They are set up as floating point numbers with 1 decimal. Name each parameter. To insert the points, go to Vector, Point, Construct Point. This component has the coordinates 0, 0, 0. We need 5 construct point. They must be linked with the sliders according to the Portico. Add 2 mathematical operators, addition and division. Division will be used to define the x-coordinate of the ridge. Addition will define the z-coordinate of the ridge. Add a panel and write the number 2, because the ridge is in the middle of the Portico. Params, input, panel. The z-coordinate of the ridge is the height of the parameters AH and HC. A line component is used to represent each column or beam. Curve, primitive, line. Each element must be linked with its construct point. The elements can be grouped to have a better classification of the information. Select the components and click the middle mouse button. Choose Group.